Have you ever wondered how researchers collect, analyze, and combine hundreds of studies to get reliable answers? That's where a systematic literature review, or SLR, comes in. In today's session, we'll explore what an SLR is, why it's important, and how researchers conduct it step by step. Whether you're a student, researcher, or academic professional, this guide will help you understand the entire process in a simple and structured way. Step 1. What is a systematic literature review? A systematic literature review is a structured and organized research method used to find, evaluate, and summarize all relevant studies on a specific topic. Unlike a traditional literature review, which can be more descriptive and subjective, an SLR follows a clear protocol to make sure the process is transparent, unbiased, and reproducible. Step 2. Why do we use SLR? SLRs are essential when we need high-quality evidence. They help us collect information from multiple studies, critically analyze and compare results, identify research gaps, and build a strong foundation for new discoveries. Step 3. The 8 steps of an SLR. 1. Define the research question. Everything starts with a clear research question. Many researchers use the PICOS framework: population, intervention, comparison, outcomes, and study design to make the question focused and specific. 2. Develop a review protocol. Before you start searching, prepare a plan. Decide which databases you'll use, what keywords you'll search, and which studies you'll include or exclude. 3. Search the literature. Now it's time to find studies. Researchers use academic databases like PubMed, Scopus, IEE, and Web of Science. They combine keywords using Boolean operators like AND, OR, and NOT to get accurate results. 4th, screen and select studies. Not every paper is useful. We remove duplicates, read abstracts, and filter out irrelevant research. A PRISMA flow diagram is used to show how many studies were found, excluded, and finally included. 5. Extract the data. From each selected study, we record important information like the author, year, dataset, methods, results, and limitations in a structured data extraction table. 6th, assess study quality. Before using any study, we check its quality and reliability using standard tools like GRADE, CASP, or AMSTAR. Low-quality studies are removed. 7. Synthesize the findings. Once we have the data, we combine it. This can be qualitative synthesis, summarizing patterns and trends, or quantitative synthesis using meta-analysis to compare numerical results. 8. Report and document. Finally, researchers prepare a detailed report following PRISMA guidelines. This includes the introduction, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion, making the entire process transparent and reproducible. Step 4. Tools that make SLR easier. Some popular tools include Mendeley and Zotero for reference management, Rayyan for screening studies, Covidence for data extraction, PRISMA flow diagram generators for reporting, and Excel, Python, or R for analysis and visualization. Step 5. Where SLR is used. Systematic literature reviews are widely used in medicine, artificial intelligence, education, social sciences, and many other fields. For example, in AI research, an SLR can help identify which algorithms perform best for medical image analysis or disease prediction. So, to summarize, a systematic literature review is a powerful research method that helps us collect, evaluate, and combine evidence from multiple studies to make informed decisions and discover new insights. In conclusion, a systematic literature review is not just about collecting papers, it's about following a structured, transparent, and unbiased process to generate high-quality evidence. By mastering this methodology, researchers can make informed decisions, identify research gaps, and pave the way for innovation. Remember, a well-executed SLR is the foundation of credible and impactful research. For more insightful content on research, AI, and academic success, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from my official YouTube channel.